What's up guys? Today I wanted to do a little reveal, and I'm not gonna lie, it was a little bit of an impulse purchase. Usually I'm pretty considerate in terms of what I think about before I buy. This one was not planned, but it did speak to me. And I'm talking about my first C by Chloe bag. I've never owned a Chloe or a C by Chloe bag. C by Chloe, I believe, is a sister company of Chloe, and it's a little bit more affordable than the regular Chloe range. I saw this on sale for a really good price, and it was like 50% off. So it was about $3.50 or something like that. It really reminded me of another bag. And I think you'll know when I show you, or I'll probably have it in the thumbnail. But this is the Mara Mini Bag by C by Chloe. And look at these little cherries on it. And look at the gold piping around it. And it comes with like this little medallion thing that Chloe's pretty well known for, with gold hardware, which is totally up my alley. It's a chain crossbody strap with a leather shoulder bit. And I will say I was a little bit worried because online the model seemed to be quite tall. I believe she was like 5'10", which I'm 5'2", and it looked pretty long on her based on the picture. So I was like, oh no, if it's not adjustable, I wonder if it's going to be too long on me, and that would be a little bit annoying. But actually it fits perfect. So I don't know why it looked so long on her. I will show you how it falls on me and on my frame. But this actually reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Cherry limited edition bag that happened many years ago, which I think is probably considered vintage now or something. But that cherry bag at Louis Vuitton never appealed to me. And I have seen like Jessie's style. I feel like she planted the seed, like unknowingly, just sort of subconsciously planted a seed in my head, because she previously owned it. She has since sold it, but it was an okay bag. Like, I didn't love it, I didn't hate it, I didn't have any strong opinions towards it. And then I saw this and I was like, oh my God, this is so adorable. And I just couldn't help it. And I think the differentiation between this and the Louis Vuitton Cherry edition was that Louis Vuitton one is, the cherries are set against the brown monogram. And I don't know, I feel like it doesn't really, maybe I've just never really seen it in amazing condition. But this is what they call a cement beige color, I think. And so it's kind of like a cream color. And it's set against this, and it has like a croc print or croc embossed, which I don't normally like croc embossed anything, but you can't really tell in this bag because of the print on it. And also in this case, I feel like it does add something a little extra, which gives a little bit more dimension, doesn't look quite as flat. So I really think it works in this case, but I did order it online on 24S. I got the last one. And Hey June, which is another channel in Australia that I watch, she hadn't been on YouTube for quite a while, but she came back with like a bang. And she's been doing her February Frenzy unboxing every day in February. And one of the things that she unboxed was a cherry bag from Louis Vuitton. Suddenly I was like, oh my God, that is so cute, so adorable. And I had already ordered this. It was already en route when I saw her video. But it's just interesting how suddenly that bag looked really adorable. After so many years of seeing it and just being like, it's okay. I don't know, maybe this did it to me and really put me over the edge. But so this is a Mara mini bag, as I said, and it's kind of like a half moon shape. And one thing I said I was concerned about was a strap drop, and I wasn't sure if it was long enough, but it's actually perfect. The other thing I wasn't sure about was whether or not it was going to fit my phone or really anything, because It's just hard to tell because it tapers on the bottom here and it's quite small of a bag. But this has a snap closure, which is a little bit magnetic as well, with a smooth leather interior flap. And it's stuffed right now, and it's got a canvas textile lining interior with just a slit pocket. These straps are not removable, and this has a this little circle thing that Chloe does a lot on a lot of their designs. And the little medallion says "See by Chloe," and it's just very subtly written there. So it has cherries all over, as you can tell with the leaves. And in very small cursive, it says "See by Chloe" in blue. So there's just these little nice touches where it has some branding, but nothing crazy or over the top, nothing in your face. This is such a playful summer spring bag. And I feel like if this bag did not have this gold piping, it wouldn't be quite as good. This gold piping really takes it over the edge and makes it quite nice and special. And it's only in the front, not in the back. It's just got regular piping along the edges here. And it's pretty thick. I mean, it's not a skinny bag, which I like. I mean, it tapers a bit on the top. Let's see what fits in and if it fits my phone. And spoiler alert, it does. So I am going to just put it up here because it's such a small, tiny bag. This is just a little card from 24S. I'm filming with my phone, but this is my phone case. So this is slightly bigger than my actual phone since it goes over the phone. And this fits in with plenty of space. I am seriously impressed and surprised at how it's not even like you have to put it in diagonally or that you have to push it in and force it in. This goes in very, very easily, which I love. So that is my iPhone 11. And this is a card case. I couldn't fit like a regular wallet, of course, because that would be quite tight, but I would realistically just bring a wallet. This is a Christian Louboutin card case in patent leather in this leopard print. See the shine. It's got some red trim and these gold studs, which I love this so freaking much. I used to wear it all the time for many years, so many years. And then I had 2 scares where I thought I lost it because I just put it in my pocket sometimes when I went out. And I almost lost this twice where, you know, your heart drops and it scares the bejesus out of you. That I was finally like, if this ever got lost, I would be so upset because I couldn't replace it. And they don't sell this anymore. And I just would be so sad. So anyway, that fits in here. If I wanted to fit a 6-ring key holder from Gucci, totally fits in here. Oh my gosh, I am seriously surprised at how much this actually fits. I don't know if I would actually put anything else in there because, you know what, that's basically all I would fit is a cart. I could fit more, like a hand sanitizer or something, but I wouldn't want to because you don't want to pack it so much that you have to struggle to get things in and out. So I would just really do my basic necessities so I can just slip in and out very easily with ease and not being stuck. So really it's just my phone, my keys, and a card case. Yeah, that fits very easily. I'm just trying to see how strong the magnet is. Yeah, it's pretty strong. This has space in my closet for sure. I just love this thing so much. So I'm gonna show you how it looks on. So I'm just wearing basic jeans, high-waisted jeans, and a cardigan with a t-shirt, which is pretty casual. And this is obviously a very casual bag. This is what it looks like crossbody. And I'm 5'2". So this hits me right at the top of my hip, which is perfect for this type of bag. This and high-waisted jeans, so my waist is up here. This is perfect in length. And this is how it looks on my shoulder. Realistically, I never wear a handbag or crossbody like this. I never just leave it on my shoulder unless I absolutely have to. It just slips off and it's kind of more work to try to keep it on your shoulder. So I always wear it crossbody if I'm wearing the long strap or any long strap. Isn't this adorable? Oh my gosh. So this is my new reveal that is an impulse purchase, totally not planned, totally not needed, but was a great price, I thought, because I got it at 50% off. And it's just so adorable, and I don't regret this. Anyway, let me know what you think about this bag. Is this a complete waste of money for you, or is this just an adorable bag for its price? And I will use this for sure. This is so much fun and it's so playful that I couldn't not do it. Look at this. Sometimes you just need playful bags. It just spices things up a bit. Like if you had a bunch of classic bags, which believe me, I'm a classic girl, it gets a little boring sometimes and you gotta just like throw in some fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know your thoughts on this, and if you have any Chloe bags or See by Chloe bags, and if you've had good experience with this. I expect that the wear and tear on this will be pretty good just because of the way the leather seems pretty hardy, but whether the print lasts, we shall see. And let me know your thoughts. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider binge watching some of my other videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.